In this episode, we visit a partner processing plant in Russia, where a client has commissioned 3 complete RW welded pipe production lines in a single installation. We provide a comprehensive breakdown of the entire production process, from steel strip to finished steel pipe. After being uncoiled and leveled, the cold-rolled steel strip is progressively bent by a multi-stage set of forming rolls, transforming it from a flat plate into a cylindrical tube blank. This constitutes the first key process in the formation of welded tubes. All 3 production lines utilize the same high-frequency forming configuration. By utilizing the skin effect of high-frequency current, the seams of the steel pipes are instantly melted and fused together without the need for welding wire. The pipe diameter is then adjusted to the required tolerance by a sizing unit. Therefore, the pipe is cut to lengths to produce the finished product. The 3 production lines have a combined daily output of over 100 tons of construction steel pipes, meeting the demand for infrastructure piping in Russia. Please send a private message if you require details of the production line configuration.
Hello, my friend. Hello, China.